When you've worked 18 or so weeks towards something, it's really hard not to put pressure on yourself to perform. But we all know marathons can be cruel. It simply doesn't work that you put in the work and you get the result out. So today is about letting go. The work is what defines me. The result does not. It will be what it will be. 2:39 would be nice, but the marathon gods may have other plans. So let go and do what you can.
This is chaos. People are hopping fences just to get into the corral. This is madness. Okay, so they are holding corral B as we go in at least. That is a thin gap to get through though. That's madness. Screw that. Okay. Berlin Marathon. Have a good one. Okay. Berlin Marathon 2025. It's on. Finally. I don't know if that's the stress or what it is, but I've already got stitch. So that's like making me slow down quite considerably. I mean, we're literally 3.5k in. Not a great start, but just trying to fight through it. That sounds bizarre to say that, you know, the race isn't going to go well after 6k, but the legs have just not arrived today. Heart rate's so high. You know, I'm like mid to top of zone 3, 6k in, and I'm running slower than my long run pace. So today will be probably C goal under sub 3 hours is the aim. That's all I've got today, and that's okay. Thank you. I'm basically hanging on for dear life now already. It's ridiculous, but yeah, good vibes. Everyone's just in a rhythm. Oh, James, are you alright? Oh, that was good timing. That's an old schoolmate. Okay. Yeah. Literally running at 4-minute kilometers. Just hoping the legs come back at some point during the race. Trying so hard to run on feel, try and keep the heart rate manageable, pace manageable, but yeah, I've already readjusted. Sub 3 today, live to fight another day. That's the aim. It is not on. Richard, I've got to get you on camera. I'm blowing my own race up just to come and say hello and say well done. Very inspirational, dude. Love it.
Thanks for your support.
No, always.
Have a good one.
Yeah, and you.
The finish.
You're actually probably going to go past me now. I'll have sped up to catch you. Have a good one.
Enjoy.
Thanks. Here's the thing. I know what's coming. I know it's really not nice, but I know I don't have a choice. I've got to fight. I'm trying to keep the heart rate under control, but we all know the marathon doesn't really start until 32 kilometers, and I'm at 18 now and suffering. So it's going to be an interesting journey, but at least you're with me, and I'm spiking my heart rate just talking to camera. So that was halfway in 125, which just means 135 sub for the second half. is the aim. Like, that's all I got. So yeah, let's see how that goes. I'm suffering so bad. Dropping off pace now.
Come on, Ben, let's go. Let's go.
Thank you.
Let's go,
man. You got more energy than me.
How are you feeling?
Not good. Nearly at 30k in 2 hours, and God, this is actually worse than Boston. Still suffering. Still trying to squeak sub 3.
You're gonna do it.
Yeah, we got it. I just need to not walk. I tell you what, usually me and Mary have the same race experience, and I'm very much hoping she's having a better one than I am today. That will be interesting. There you go, 30k in 1:56, 12k to go. Every kilometre under 5 minutes is closer to the sub 3. We've got 45 minutes to go, 9k. Holy cow. My legs, they're just like jelly. Genuinely, like, I got nothing. I just have to take like a minute breather and then try and get going. Nearly.
Come on, bangers, put it in. That's all, yeah. Come on.
Blown up. I love you too, bud. Oh, I finally seen you at a marathon. Okay, that was the little boost that I needed. I've finally seen one of my best mates at the marathon. Second time of asking. I've got to get 3k done in about 18 minutes. Should be okay. Just got to basically not walk. Oh, we've got like about 14 minutes to do 2k, but whoa, I'm in a world of pain. Just gonna walk for 1 minute. This is such a weird feeling because it's like I feel generally pretty okay, but the legs are just, there's just nothing in them whatsoever. I've got to get going, otherwise I'm not gonna make it. I've got 12 minutes to do about 2 and a bit kilometers. Okay. Okay, come on. This is my C goal, sub 3, being able to run sub 3 at all major marathons at the first attempt. I am fighting for my life here. About a kilometre. We've got 8 minutes. Just happened.
Oh my god.
We just finished within seconds of each other, me and Lizzie.
Oh.
Oh.
Hands down, the hardest marathon I've run.
100%.
Hands down.
My legs are not working.
No, I have nothing left.
I'm not kidding you. That was harder than Boston. I don't know why. I can't tell you, but in terms of, it wasn't even hilly, it was flat, but the legs were just not there from literally 2 kilometers in. The heart rate was high from the start. Can't blame the heat because I live in Thailand. Just wasn't my day. I'm hoping Mary's having a better experience, but like looking at the tracker app, I'm not so sure. Oh, Jesus Christ. That just broke me. Like broke me.
As I sit here reflecting on this race and my previous marathon finishes, I'm proud. I'm proud I started. I'm proud for gritting my teeth and making my seagull happen. I'm proud that I've immediately let go of the result in any negative context anyway. That was brutal, marathons are brutal, and I've got Cape Town in about 4 weeks anyway. Mary's video is coming tomorrow. Fingers crossed it's a better experience than mine.